everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Groww account. So in order to learn how, keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log out of your Groww account, first, open up a web browser and make sure to type in groww.in in the web address bar. If you're already logged into your account, all you need to do is to click on your profile picture at the top right, and at the bottom of the pop-up, you'll be able to see the log out button. Click log out, and that is how you can easily log out or sign out of Groww. Remember that you must remember your credentials before logging out of your account, since you can only access your account if you remember your password and email associated with it. That is how you can easily log out of groww.in account in a few simple steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.